Peak region is under a high wind advisory until 5 p.m. today. Early this morning, though, these strong winds created a lot of damage and debris.
This is old Colorado City. This is not Colorado Springs. I mean, well, it is. It's just on the west side. So there's a lot more trees.
Residents say that they've had tree limbs and branches scattered throughout their yards, as well as other property damage. And one major example is a downed tree, which came right through this resident's car top roof behind me here. An old Colorado City had fences taken out, windshields broken, and tree debris scattered throughout their yards and in the surrounding streets. Many neighbors I spoke with say they were kept up all night with winds shaking their windows.
Everything was fine until I think it got about maybe 8 o'clock at night.
Tom Strand.
And then when it got after bedtime, between 10 and 3, the winds were incredibly strong. And we live on West Kiowa, and there was
if you got old trees, that's something you got to be worried about. The cottonwood trees, especially.
The Colorado Springs City wood chipper started coming through the neighborhood in the late morning hours, clearing the
being
debris.
on the west side, there's a lot more trees. There's a lot more older trees. Something to be aware of.
Smartphone app, so
but otherwise, it's not a big
So far, there have been no power outages or fires reported in Colorado Springs. But the high wind advisory does run until 5 p.m. in Colorado Springs and in Pueblo. So officials do remind drivers to remain extra cautious.
I drove yesterday.
Reporting in Old Colorado City, I'm Natasha.